There also we will invite some professionals from the literature department to give a talk, like Bodo Literary Day also. On that day we will invite the professionals from Bodo department to give a talk. So rather than organizing twice in a month, we will organize this kind of talk on a special occasion. So we have the music in this talk on World Environment Day and on the upcoming days also. National Space Day, National Science Day, Pi Day, Bhasa Bodo, Bodo Literary Day, Constitution Day, whatever. 11th to the special day, we will invite our professors and we will organize. So this kind of program, as I told you, was organized by our academic development cell. This year was Sumutari and Afternoon Katlari was a combined and but both of them have resigned from our college. So এই কারণে আমরা এই প্রোগ্রামগুলো বন্ধ হয়েছে। From today onwards we will start organizing this program, but on a special occasion in a month. So that's what I would like to take information.
Now next, since greenhouse gases, and it is just a greenhouse gases, certain of its beyond its boundaries or beyond its limit, then it's a negative impact. So global warming along with basically the increased amount of carbon dioxide along with the greenhouse gases such be protected. That's why actually this ozone is helpful to us. It is helping us to protect ultraviolet radiations from us. So next, let us see in this picture. On the left side is basically greenhouse effect with normal greenhouse gas, and on the right side it is greenhouse effect with all these activities, anthropogenic activities. That means what? Human activities like burning fossil fuels, driving. There is lots of increased number of cars, vehicles, transportation. So this second semester students already know a little bit about this global warming. Okay, so let me give a brief introduction about this greenhouse gas. So basically, when we know that sun's energy is coming to our earth, right? So what happens? Sun energy, when it comes to the surface, it gives us heat, plus it gives us ultraviolet radiations along with infrared rays. So what happens? The gases present in the atmosphere, those are basically what? Greenhouse gases. Methane, carbon dioxide, and nitrous oxide. So these three basically the major component of greenhouse gas. Those actually change the sun's energy, but not for bad. It's actually trapping the solar energy to keep the earth warm. So this was basically in the normal side. It's basically keeping our earth warm and making